ਬੀਤੇ ਦਿਨ ਰਾਜਪੁਰਾ ਦੇ ਹੋਲੀ ਐਂਜਲ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਾਹੌਲ ਉਸ ਸਮੇਂ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਭਰਿਆ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਜਦੋਂ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 9ਵੀਂ ਕਲਾਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਰਹੇ 9 ਬੱਚੇ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਦੇ ਸੈਕਟਰ 26 ਦੇ ਸੇਂਟ ਜੌਨਸ ਹਾਈ ਸਕੂਲ ਵਿਖੇ ਰੱਖੀ ਮਾਡਲ ਯੂਨਾਈਟਿਡ ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਕਾਨਫਰੰਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਮੈਡਮ ਪ੍ਰਿਯੰਕਾ ਬਜਾਜ ਅਤੇ ਮੈਡਮ ਮਨਵਿੰਦਰ ਕੌਰ ਦੀ ਦੇਖ-ਰੇਖ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ 9 ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ 3 ਬੱਚੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹੀਨੀ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ, ਜਤਿਨ ਖੇੜਾ ਤੇ ਸਿਮਰਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੇ ਉਕਤ ਕਾਨਫਰੰਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੋਲੀ ਐਂਜਲ ਸਕੂਲ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਰੋਸ਼ਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। ਇੱਥੇ ਦੱਸਣਯੋਗ ਗੱਲ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਕਤ ਕਾਨਫਰੰਸ 4 ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ 6 ਅਕਤੂਬਰ ਤੱਕ ਆਯੋਜਿਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ, ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਦੇ ਲਗਭਗ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ 700 ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਲਿਆ। ਇਸ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਮੈਡਮ ਪ੍ਰਿਯੰਕਾ ਬਜਾਜ ਨੇ ਨਿਊਜ਼ 89 ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ। ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਮਾਡਲ ਯੂਨਾਈਟਿਡ ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਕਾਨਫਰੰਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਲੀ ਐਂਜਲ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੀ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥਣ ਰਹੀਨੀ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ ਨੇ ਆਲ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਪੋਲੀਟੀਕਲ ਪਾਰਟੀਜ਼ ਮੀਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਨਾਮ ਹਾਸਲ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। ਜਤਿਨ ਖੇੜਾ ਨੇ ਯੂਨਿਟ ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਜਨਰਲ ਅਸੈਂਬਲੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਨਾਮ ਹਾਸਲ ਕੀਤਾ, ਜਦਕਿ ਸਿਮਰਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੇ ਯੂਨਾਈਟਿਡ ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਸਿਕਿਉਰਿਟੀ ਕੌਂਸਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਨਾਮ ਹਾਸਲ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੋਲੀ ਐਂਜਲ ਸਕੂਲ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਰੋਸ਼ਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। ਆਓ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸੁਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਸ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਮੈਡਮ ਪ੍ਰਿਯੰਕਾ ਬਜਾਜ ਅਤੇ ਇਨਾਮ ਹਾਸਲ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੇ ਤਿੰਨੋਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਸੀ।
Sir, this competition was Model United Nations. It was conducted in St. John's High School, Chandigarh, and it was from 4th to 6th October. Basically, Model United Nations is a conference which has different national, international committees where children are made to represent some delegation, and like a child is given the delegation of Japan. So he will be representing Japan on that global issue. So there are children from different schools, they talk on that global issue together and they come to a solution about the problem. So the ones who are very good in documentation, in their research and the way they present through chit sessions or verbally, so according to that marks are given and after evaluation awards are announced.
भाई ये कहाँ पे रखा गया था प्रोग्राम?
St. John's High School, Chandigarh.
तो ये कितने स्कूल थे वहाँ पे, कंपटीशन में कितने स्कूल आए हुए?
Sir, almost whole Chandigarh was there. Bhavan, Strawberry Fields and the Sacred Heart, all the schools of Chandigarh were there.
और अपने स्कूल से कितने बच्चे गए थे?
9 students.
और
9 students went from Holy Angels.
अपने स्कूल की परफॉर्मेंस कैसी रही वहाँ पे performance?
Sir, हमारे स्कूल की performance it was actually very good, and out of 9, 2 of them have bagged very prestigious awards, high commendation awards.
9 बच्चों में से किन बच्चों ने वहाँ पे अवार्ड जो है ये हासिल किए?
Sir, Jatin Kheda, ये 9th का है, and Jatin Kheda he got high commendation award in United Nations General Assembly. He was representing China. Then in All India Political Parties Meet, Rahini Sharma, she won the award of high commendation only. She was portraying Ambika Soni.
जी। और जो तीसरा बच्चा था?
Sir, Simarpreet Singh, वो United Nations Security Council, this is the child, and he got verbal mention. He was amongst, they were all amongst very competitive committees.
मैम ये जो बच्चे कंपटीशन में गए थे, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे और बच्चों को संदेश देना चाहेंगे जो ऐसे कंपटीशन लड़ना चाहते हैं लेकिन वो आगे नहीं बढ़ पाते?
See, now we are living in a global world where you should not know about only the national issues, but we should be well acquainted about international issues also. So Model United Nations is actually a very good platform which brings the children forward to talk on the global issues and come out with some holistic solutions about them. So there should be more children coming to participate in such Model United Nations, and the best way is to approach the coordinator, to contact your class teacher, and you show your liking for this such conferences.
मैम कैसे तैयारी करवाते हैं आप बच्चों को, मतलब इस चीज़ के लिए, जैसे अवार्ड जीत के आए हैं, कुछ तैयारी कराई होगी आपने?
Yes sir, we have an MUN club in school.
हाँ जी।
उसमें sir periodically we have MUN meetings, MUN club meetings. उसमें I am there, then there are student trainers. We together train the upcoming children.
I was in All India Political Party Meet. It is a conference for Indian political parties. Like in the MUN, there are 2 kinds of committees. One are on the international level, where they represent different countries. But mine was one in which I represented a person from a political party. So I was Ambika Soni, which was from Congress party, and I played my role well.
क्या परफॉर्म किया आपने अंबिका सोनी जी को, क्या दिखाया वहाँ पे?
See, in an MUN, we generally have an agenda. Our agenda was deliberation upon the budget of 2024-25 and also the ongoing controversies of the NEET scam. So as a person from the opposition, I questioned the government on how they worked and how they deliberate their functions properly in the financial situation of our country. India is a growing economy, so how they're helping it to grow at a larger level, at a larger scale, and how their policies are affecting the students of our country, who are the youth and the future of our country, in the ongoing scams like NEET. So how are they going to uphold their motivation and their trust in the government after such a big scam has been there in a country like India?
Sir, if I talk about my award, the first award for me, which is actually a high commendation, is very special, especially for me as a delegate. If I talk about my committee, which was UNGA DISEC, it is an international committee, and that international committee talks about global disarmament. And talking about my portfolio, which was China, and the agenda being exploitation of missiles, which are basically ballistic and hypersonic missiles, and the treaties which talk about nuclear non-proliferation. China stands an important role because it actually has those missiles, it actually has those nuclear states. So countering China, dealing with other countries and showing a sense of diplomacy with respect to others is what I portrayed in the committee. Not talking about general facts such as nuclear disarmament and international peace, I portrayed how we should discuss upon various other factors like technological, social as well as environmental factors of the same. And I guess that is one of the main reasons why I got a high commendation in the committee.
So I was the delegate of Japan. My agenda was about territorial disputes and the illegal occupation and about various claims. So in my agenda, I debated about different things, like different issues that are going on around Japan, because I was the delegate of Japan. So we talked about Dokdo Island, the dispute between South Korea and Japan, and also about the Kuril Island and the Senkaku Islands with China and Russia. So it was a great learning experience for me because I got an award, verbal mention, which is like, you have performed well, but your name wasn't in top 3 or 4, but you were good enough, so they wanted to honor you. So I got the verbal mention.
ਨਿਊਜ਼ 89 ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਰਾਜਪੁਰਾ ਤੋਂ ਪੱਤਰਕਾਰ ਮੋਹਿਤ ਕੁਮਾਰ ਦੀ ਖਾਸ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ।
न्यूज़ 89 पंजाब, हर खबर जिसदा होवे असर।